Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, we're just doing my clothes, so I'm packing my clothes back up because I got back to the house and I'm going back home. Yep, no, Gina. When we were 8, we did this fine. Please, nobody wants to look at you either way. Please, just stop. No. Gina. Oh my god, so she's going to bed. Can we name the turtle, please? Oh, this is the finished product of the turtle video. Go watch it before.
Hey, where's my gnome?
Your what?
My gnome. What's the name of too?
Oh yeah. Wait, which is his name?
Alright, let's see.
Airy.
Why Harry?
Because he was wrapped in an air pastel shirt.
Okay.
Airy. That's his name.
There it is.
Airy the turtle. What's your gnome's name?
No idea.
Naughty. Nadia.
Yeah.
Nadia. Nadia's cute. It's a very cute name.
Okay.
Nadia's adorable. Nadia. No, Nadia. Cute.
Not for a gnome. I know.
Yeah. Using you guys as a mirror. Oh. Not in the What?
Shit.
What?
We can't be friends.
Why not?
We can't be friends.
Okay.
When do you love me again?
Okay.
That
You're loud.
was super good.
Oh my god. What? Did it like stick to your skin?
No, it stuck to my foot.
Oh.
I don't know what that did.
When did it get off?
Not sure. It was probably still on the floor. We can't be friends.
Tanning lotion.
Tanning lotion? Did that work?
Yeah. Ow, my silky slime stuck to my hairs.
I don't understand that. Like, you're ridiculous. I
Mhm.
didn't stop.
It was your fault.
How did it stick to your hairs? It was stuck on my clothes and on my clothes.
What?
It would.
The weirdest part is it mostly got on my clothes, but it just came off.
Yeah, it came straight off my clothes.
Because it wasn't like a slime, it was like a liquid. But after it turned into slime.
I think this brace is broken.
Do you want to charge this and dump it later?
What? Yeah.
It's a really slow charger, so it's probably not even gonna. We're probably not even gonna be able to.
What?
This.
No, it's not. Yeah.
Because it's only 5 of it. Oh my god, yeah, that's gonna take a couple years. Okay, I'm putting this back. Gio, can you put that in? What? You need the Gio. The video 5 seconds ago was me packing to leave because I had to leave soon. Well, guess what? I'm leaving tomorrow. So we get a whole nother day of fun filming. So stay tuned. And yeah, do you have anything to say?
No.
Gia, do you have anything to say?
Do I?
Yes, you do.
Oh, I do.
You do. The outro.
Wait, we do that now?
Yeah, we do that now. We just didn't do it in Villaroma because it was too much. Wait, I forgot it.
Make sure
you
like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
Notification bell.
Bye, y'all. Peace out.
Bye, y'all.